Hi everyone, today we are going to learn about what is Pythagoras theorem, then followed by how you can actually compute the inverse of a trigonometric functions. If you haven't learned about what is trigonometric functions, you can check out my playlist for the video about trigonometric functions so that you can have a better understanding of this video. So let's start off with what is actually Pythagoras theorem. So to understand Pythagoras theorem, we must first understand what is actually a right angle triangle. A right angle triangle basically means that there exists one angle which is 90 degree. So in this case, there exists a 90 degree in this triangle. So according to Pythagoras theorem, let's say this is A, this is B, this is C. A square equal to B square plus C square. So if you want to find out what is A, which is the hypotenuse, the meaning of hypotenuse is the longest length in a triangle, in a right angle triangle. So we have square root of B square plus C square. So let's start with what is the inverse of a trigonometric function. So inverse of trigonometry functions using examples. So let's say if we have the triangle like this and we have a right angle here and we want to find the theta, which is the angle, and we have this value 5 and this is 4. So the opposite side of the theta is actually 5. So this is actually opposite. Then the below of this angle is actually adjacent. So we have opposite and adjacent. So which trigonometric function should we use if we have O and A? So we should use tangent because TOA. Tor. So tangent theta equal to opposite, which is 5 over 4. So theta equal to inverse tangent 5 over 4. And you take out your calculator and you find out what is the inverse tangent 5 over 4. You will get 51.34 degree. So what the answer means is that the tangent 51.34 degree will get you the value of 5 over 4. So you can actually check using your calculator whether this is true. So let's say if we have another example. So now let's say we have the example of angle is here, the value 3 here, value here 8, and here is opposite. So the longest in length is hypotenuse. So now what we have is adjacent and hypotenuse. So which trigonometric function should we use? We should use cosine car. So cosine theta equal to adjacent, which is 3 over h. So it's 8. So theta equal to inverse cosine 3 over 8. So what we will get is, you press your calculator, you will get 67.98 degree. So finally, let's try one more example of the inverse of a trigonometric functions. So let's say now we have a right angle triangle looks like this, and we have the right angle here, and let's say the theta is here, and let's say we have 6 here, we have 3 here. So now we have hypotenuse and we also have opposite. So which trigonometric function should we use? We should use saw. So saw is sine theta over opposite, which is 3 over hypotenuse 6. So theta equal to inverse sine 1 over 2. So by pressing the calculator, we will again get the degree, so 30 degree. So I hope you have learned how you can actually calculate the angle of a right angle triangle by using inverse trigonometric functions. If you want to learn more about relevant mathematics topics, you can check out my playlist, or you can also subscribe to my channel to get informed about every new videos about mathematics. Yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. Feel free to share and subscribe. Thank you.